Hey creators, tired of wrestling with bulky software? Today I'm breaking down how to use Wan 2.1, the free AI video tool that runs right in your browser. No installs, no fancy hardware, just pure creativity. Let's dive in. First, grab your free credits. Step 1. Sign up with Google or GitHub to get 50 free credits instantly. Step 2. Daily check-ins give you 50 more credits every day. Here's a pro tip: like or dislike creations for plus 5 credits. Twice daily. Publish 2 videos? That's 40 extra credits. Easy, right? Head to AI Video and select Text to Video. Click Enhance Prompt for pro-level results, or write your own. Turn inspiration mode on for wild creativity, or off to stick to your script. Add sound effects or keep it silent. Your choice. Costs just 10 credits. Here's what I made. Want to animate your art? Use image to video. Upload 1 image for a start frame or 2 for smooth transitions. Same 10 credit cost. Under AI Images, type any idea. Use style palettes to tweak the vibe. 4 free options, only 2 credits per image, perfect for thumbnails. Never run out of credits. Publish 2 videos daily for plus 40 credits. Like your faves for plus 10 credits a day. Steal proven prompts in the Explore tab. Shh, I won't tell. Until then, want the easiest way to install Wan 2.1 locally? Smash subscribe and hit the bell. I'll drop that tutorial next. Comment your Wan 2.1 creations. Stay curious, stay creating.